Losing weight quickly is a goal many people aspire to achieve, especially when faced with an important event or personal milestone. One diet that claims to offer rapid results is the military diet, which has gained significant attention for its bold promise, losing up to 10 kilograms in just 1 week. But is this claim too good to be true? How does the military diet work, and is it safe? In this article, we'll take a deep dive into the specifics of the diet, its meal plans, its benefits and risks, and whether it's the right choice for you. If you're curious about this trending diet plan, keep listening as we unravel the truth behind the military diet. And before we dive in, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on health, fitness, and lifestyle. Let's get started. What is the military diet? The military diet, also referred to as the 3-day diet, is a low-calorie eating plan designed to help you shed weight rapidly. Unlike what its name might suggest, the diet has no direct connection to the military. Instead, it's a structured eating plan that is strict in portion control and calorie intake. The diet typically lasts for 1 week, divided into 2 phases. 1. The first 3 days involve following a very specific, low-calorie meal plan. 2. The remaining 4 days allow for more flexibility, but calorie intake must remain controlled. This cycle can be repeated as needed, but proponents claim that just 1 week is enough to notice dramatic weight loss results. How does the military diet work? The military diet is based on calorie restriction, which is one of the most basic principles of weight loss. By consuming fewer calories than your body burns, you create a calorie deficit, forcing your body to utilize stored fat for energy. What makes the military diet unique is its highly structured meal plan. The meals are simple, low-calorie combinations of foods that are believed to promote fat loss while still providing essential nutrients to keep you functioning. The military diet meal plan. Here's an overview of the standard 3-day meal plan. Day 1 breakfast, 1 slice of toast, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, half a grapefruit, 1 cup of coffee or tea, no sugar or cream. Lunch, 1 slice of toast, half a cup of tuna, 1 cup of coffee or tea. Dinner, 85 grams of any lean meat, 1 cup of green beans, half a banana, 1 small apple, 1 cup of vanilla ice cream. Day 2 breakfast, 1 slice of toast, 1 hard-boiled egg, half a banana. Lunch, 1 hard-boiled egg, 1 cup of cottage cheese, 5 saltine crackers. Dinner, 2 hot dogs, no bun, 1 cup of broccoli, half a cup of carrots, half a banana, half a cup of vanilla ice cream. Day 3 breakfast, 1 slice of cheddar cheese, 5 saltine crackers, 1 small apple. Lunch, 1 slice of toast, 1 hard-boiled egg. Dinner, 1 cup of tuna, half a banana, 1 cup of vanilla ice cream. The next 4 days. The remaining 4 days are less restrictive but still encourage you to limit calorie intake to 1,500 calories per day. You are free to choose your meals, provided you maintain this calorie limit and stick to healthy, nutrient-dense foods. Why the military diet claims to work? The military diet is based on the following principles. 1. Calorie restriction. By limiting your daily intake to as low as 800 to 1,200 calories during the first 3 days, the diet creates a significant calorie deficit. 2. Metabolism-boosting foods. Proponents of the diet claim that the specific combinations of foods, such as grapefruit and lean proteins, help boost metabolism and burn fat faster. 3. Simplicity. The diet's simple meal plan makes it easier to follow compared to other complex dieting regimens. 4. Short duration. Many people are more likely to stick to a diet that lasts only a few days rather than weeks or months. Can you really lose 10 kilograms in a week? The claim of losing 10 kilograms in just 1 week is what makes the military diet so appealing. But is it realistic? In most cases, the weight loss people experience during the military diet is a combination of water weight, glycogen depletion, and fat loss. 1. Water weight. During the first few days of calorie restriction, your body sheds excess water, which can lead to rapid weight loss on the scale. 2. Glycogen depletion. Carbohydrates are stored in the body as glycogen, which holds water. As your body burns through glycogen stores for energy, water is also released. 3. Fat loss. A calorie deficit forces your body to use stored fat as fuel. However, it's unlikely that you'll lose 10 kilograms of pure fat in a single week. For most people, the actual weight loss may range between 2 to 5 kilograms, depending on factors like starting weight, metabolism, and adherence to the diet. The pros of the military diet. 1. Quick results. The military diet offers a rapid way to kickstart weight loss, which can be motivating for many people. 2. Simple to follow. The straightforward meal plan requires no special ingredients or complex recipes. Point 3. Low cost. The foods included in the diet are inexpensive and easy to find. 4. Short-term commitment. With its 3-day cycle, the diet is less daunting than long-term dieting plans. The risks and drawbacks. While the military diet has its benefits, there are some important drawbacks to consider. 1. Nutritional deficiencies. The diet is extremely low in calories and lacks important nutrients like fiber, healthy fats, and a variety of vitamins and minerals. 2. Hunger and fatigue. Many people feel tired, hungry, or irritable during the 3-day phase due to the severe calorie restriction. 3. Temporary results. Rapid weight loss from water and glycogen depletion often returns once you resume normal eating habits. 4. Not suitable for everyone. The diet may not be safe for individuals with certain health conditions, such as diabetes or cardiovascular issues. Is the military diet right for you? The military diet can be an effective short-term solution for people looking to lose weight quickly. However, it's not a sustainable or balanced long-term approach to health and fitness. If you choose to try this diet, consider consulting with a healthcare professional to ensure it's safe for you. For lasting weight loss and improved overall health, focus on creating a balanced, sustainable lifestyle that includes regular physical activity, whole foods, and healthy habits. Conclusion: a shortcut, not a solution. The military diet offers an appealing shortcut to quick weight loss, but it's important to approach it with realistic expectations. While you might lose several kilograms in 1 week, most of that weight will likely come from water and glycogen rather than fat. For long-term results, sustainable changes to your diet and exercise routine are essential. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the military diet. If you found this article helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and fitness content. Let us know in the comments, have you ever tried the military diet, and what were your results?